Hey guys, what you see in your viewing pleasure is a computer that was out of commission for a couple of years. I had this computer in the kitchen. This was a computer that I had running Windows 7. It was a Dell C521. This is the second time I actually finally replaced the motherboard. I finally got around to putting another motherboard in this computer. And yes, and Windows XP is up and running on this computer. I would have put Windows Vista, even though this computer originally came with Vista. I don't have a copy of Windows Vista at the moment. So what I am running right now is Windows XP Service Pack 3. But I will do a full in-depth video of this computer actually running Windows XP. And yes, I'm installing a couple of updates while I'm just to play around with and see how well this computer can handle Windows XP's modern internet. But even though we got the Acer desktop in the kitchen as now the daily driver, but my real daily driver is the iMac and the MacBook Pro. So yeah, I even repasted the CPU and this thing works like a champ. But you're gonna see what I'm talking about when I do a video of Windows XP running on this gem. So with that being said, let me go ahead and end this video because I'm gonna finish tinkering around with this computer, and I'll post a follow-up video. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.